Hey everybody, Mike Brumfield. I want to start this video by titling it, What is the Universe? And what you've got in front of you is the scientific explanation that showing you what is matter. And basically the universe is composed of two things, space and matter. Up until now we thought space was empty, but we're realizing it isn't. Anyway, I want to back off this because I want to keep the focus on that question. What is the universe? Space and matter. This is at least the beginning of what you'd want to look for with science. This is an excerpt from the physics books for dummies. I'm a dummy. I'm a dummy. It's cool. I like that. I like to laugh. We should all be able to laugh at ourselves so we'll be able to learn. Finally can laugh at myself, getting over my mad disease. Mike the mad but glad scientist. Glad but mad scientist. Anyway, enough of the talk. I'm backing off because when you ask yourself and ask people what is the universe, that question, you'll see that it's an open question. It's not chiseled in stone what it is. We're still learning about the universe. You'd find that I got another illustration of the Jewish star, and it matches the atom, which is what the modern physics books was telling you what matter is. It's made of atoms. All matter is. And anyway, it goes to tell you it can't be created nor destroyed. Atoms can't, like energy. Now this nuclear symbol that we have matching the atom, and the atom being the nuclear symbol, is because we've learned to split the atom. It's a nuclear symbol for that reason. The atom is splittable, and it blows apart into an infinite amount of particles. And I could be wrong about that, but the bottom line is it can't be created nor destroyed. We do just split them, atoms. That's what gave us nuclear science. Now, I want to talk real quick, briefly about this thing called the atom and how today it is pretty much the threshold for scientific knowledge that people have, but should have all over the earth. We should know about atoms, the smallest building block of life, that makes up all life, and it's not the smallest. We've taken it apart, and we know electrons, protons, neutrons. Anyway, it matching the atom here, which is a story of also, the Jewish star matching the atom is also a story of something that can't be created nor destroyed either. It's God. And listen, asking the question of what the universe is involves asking everybody neutrally, and what you will discover if you're like me and you replicate this experiment, most religious people don't know about the universe being, from a scientific perspective, being full of atoms, and you can't create them nor destroy them. They've always existed. They kind of get an idea that, well, then that means the universe has always existed, but that's not true because God created it. So therein lies the problem. If they already have an idea that God created the universe and don't see the conflict between today's science and that ideology, then, or that teaching, whatever you want to call it, that tradition, then I can't do anything about that. And I've got a brainwashing, religious redneck brainwashing survey. I want everybody to take it, check it out. And you'll see that science conflicts today with religion's statement that God made the universe. They don't ask who is God and what is God, where is God. And if they do, they just accept the answer that there's some things we won't know. But the idea that God is the atom is a intelligent design theory that's come out and makes dirt a thinking thing, part of God. Dirt doesn't run from us, people. So my theory is clearly